Ydy'r Barri eb golli gartre yma yn erbyn Aberystwyth yn uwch Gynghrair Cymru ers 2002. Am gen nhw gyfle yn gynnar yn y gêm fan hyn i fynd ar y blaen. Southern Hales yn ei gosod hi ar blas i Mamadou Touré, sy'n casglu 9fed gol o'r tymor wedi dim ond 2 funud. Southern Hales yn creu, Touré colli ddyn ac yn ei chladdu hi. Cefnwr de di mensio ymlaen wrth rhagor, dyma Southern Hales. Greening yn cyfuno fo Hales, Hales yn croesi ni sel, a Touré yno unwaith eto. A wedi llai na 20 munud, mae Barri dyblu mantais, ail gol y gêm i Touré. Southern Hales yn creu, a Touré taro. Rio Amadi dros y Gynghrair. O, mae'n berffaith i'r gornel ucha. Hyfryd gan Rio Amadi, y gŵr o Iran. Bydd allai gedyn obaith i Aberystwyth. Rwan yn croesi y peniad allan gan Chris Hugh. Montag at Ryan Edwards. Edwards at Phillips. Cyffyrddiau bach, greu lle ar gydio gyntaf o'r postyn. Tîm Neville Powell di ennill 5 gêm yn ôl rhwng Hydref a Tachwedd, ond bellach arediad o 5 colled yn ôl yn uwch Gynghrair Cymru. Wes Baines ar arwydd. Tuag at y postyn gosa mae'n mynd, ac mae'n syrthio i Amadi, sy'n chwilio am ei ail o'r pnawn o'r agos. Southern Hales at Fry, Greening dros ben yr amddiffyn, McLagan wedi curo, Phillips, McLagan ar ergyd. Ond mi oedd na drosedd gan Kane McLagan. Patton at Southern Hales. Munud den weddill mae'r Barc Jenner. Southern Hales yn cael ei lorio'n ddi-seremoni gan Gwdl, sydd eisoes di gweld un cerdyn melyn. Mae'n gawod cynnar i Alan Gwdl, o Southern Hales yn rhy glyfar ac yn rhy gyflym i'r amddiffynwr.
I thought first half we were magnificent, probably one of our best performances in possession of the season really. Second half then has gone totally the other way, if I'm being totally honest with you. I thought Aber were good value really. I wouldn't say Mike has had huge amounts to do, you know. Aber hit the post and thought the free kick was exceptional. But apart from that, I thought that, you know, rightly we won the game, albeit a game of 2 halves maybe.
Well, it was a good away performance again, you know, but as you say, we've I think the last 6 games we're giving teams a goal start, 2 goal starts, and at this standard you can't do it. And you know, the rest of the game we probably bossed the game and had good chances to get something out of it, but we're desperately disappointed. And as you say, we've got to learn that we can't start games like we have been starting them.
We're 22 games in and we're competing with full-time teams, you know. So as a coach and as a manager, that's hugely pleasing. But, you know, we've got where we are at the moment by being humble, working hard, sticking to game plans, togetherness, teamship, all those things. So that ain't going to change in the second half. You know, the second half of the season, we know it's going to be hard, relentless, top 6. But I think my team needs this now to grow further, be it this year or indeed in the future. You know, we're still in a shout for 7th place, and we've got to believe that. And as you say, you know, if the players play like they did tonight, we won't be far away from that 7th place, that's for sure.